how to allow or don't allow permission to usage data access on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Now tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on special access. Then scroll down. In here, tap on usage data access. From the list of apps, now tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. So when we turn it on, we allow this Nova Launcher app to have permission to usage data access. Otherwise, we can turn it off to deny permission to usage data access. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.